Hello everyone, this is Akash, and in this video we will be discussing about Elastic Block Store. So in short form that is known as a EBS. Before going ahead, let me give you a pre-idea of what is EBS. So just imagine you have an instance and you created some file over there, and unfortunately those that instance got terminated or got stopped, because of which you are unable to access all your files. So that will be a very terrible situation because all your important stuffs are stored over there. So in that case, what you can do, you can create a virtual volume in your instance one, and if by any chance you have any problem with your instance, you can transfer all your file system into another instance, and you can delete your first instance. So in this way, your all uh, file system will be saved in another instance, and you can delete your instance one. So that's basically a very good feature of AWS. So let's try and learn about this one. So here I am in my AWS dashboard. Just go to instance. For this demo purpose, I have created two EC2 instance. So if you don't know how to create instance, I have already made video on that one. You can just go through that one. So as you can see, I have a two instance one and instance two. Okay. uh, and these instances are also running. Okay, currently instance one is running in my console. Okay, let's go and create ABS volume. So this volume will be mounting over first to instance one. Okay, be careful while creating the instance. If you see, just wait, let me show. Your instance address is very important. Okay, wherever you create that one, that instance should be matched to the volume one. Okay, currently I'm by default I'm getting the two volume created just because I'm having two instance, so that's why it is showing two volume. uh, First, just confirm your address. Okay, let me just check. Don't focus on the terminated parts, let's focus on the instance one. So the address is showing ap dash northeast dash 1a. Okay, so just remember this one while creating your volume. Let's go and create one volume. Okay, uh, I'm going to give size 20 gigabyte, and here general purpose SSD has been given for you. Okay, let it be that one. Yeah, availability zone, be careful. I was having this same one, so it is automatically detected, but in some situation it may not get detected, so just take care of this one. Okay, for now don't bother about the snapshot ID, it is the optional part. And encryption, if you want your volume to be encrypted, that's up to you. Let me just create an tag name for this one. Mm, EBS dash EBS underscore demo, and then create volume. Okay, just click on this one. So the volume state, it is showing available. Okay, be careful, it may take some time. Okay, just go to the action and click on attach volume. Okay, to what instance you want to attach, you will be getting two options because we are having two instance running. So currently I'm attaching this one to instance one. Okay, so this is the default device name, dev slash sdf. Okay, and after connecting to your kernel or your console, you will be getting like this type of name. So let's just attach and let's see. Okay, let's see whether it has been attached or not. Sorry. Okay, you just have to do lsblk, which will be listing all the blocks. So as you can see, Just now we have created xvdf. This is the name given. Okay, and 20 gigabyte we have given the size, and so far it is disk is a kind of, it is empty one, so nothing is over here. If you want to check the file system whether it is available, is there any file system available or not, just do sudo file hyphen s dev slash the name of your volume, that is xvfs xvdf, sorry, and enter. So currently it is showing data, which simply means you do not have any file system created yet. Okay, so let's try and create. Before creating a file system, you need to know what are the availability of creating file system. So that we check through ls-svin slash mkfs, means make file system dot star. So this will basically tell you that you can create ext3, ext4, ext2. Okay, so these are the different types of file system you can create. For now I'm going to create a ext4. Let's see. So just do the same. Okay. Let me sudo mkfs dot ext4. I'm creating ext4 and the name of your volume dash xvdf. So now one volume has been attached, or you can say one file system has been attached to your volume. Okay, so let's check this one. This is actually the volume given. So for now, for inside this volume, create your own directory and create your own file system. So I'm going to create a directory and then I'll be mounting that directory over this volume. Okay, so that's easy, not a big deal. Sudo mkdir, that is make directory, of course. Let's give a name, EBS demo. EBS demo, yeah, better. So directory has been created. Let's check. EBS demo. I hope you can see. Yeah. So let's try to mount this directory. Okay. Sudo mount slash dev slash xvdf slash, what is the name of our directory? EBS demo. So yes, we have mounted our directory into this volume. Okay, let's go inside this one. cd slash EBS demo. Okay, we have got right. So for confirmation, let's create one file over here, which will be kind of any file you can create. So to create a file, okay, before creating a file, you need to assign a UUID. Okay, that is basically a unique ID which will be following all the rules and regulation of your ext4. So that's not pretty much difficult. Let's create sudo blk id, that is block id actually. Okay, so here you are getting UUID. Just copy this one. We will be requiring in the further process, control C. Yeah. After doing this one, just do sudo vi. We have to paste this in our etc directory slash fs tab. UUID equal to paste that value. Okay, along with that the file EBS demo. Then after that, what was the name of our file system? ext4, if I'm not wrong. And then default values. So this default basically will take all the default rules and regulations. So you need not to worry. Just save this one. Escape colon WQ. Okay. Once we have saved this one, let's create a file inside this one. Okay. Sudo vi let it be example.txt. Mm, sorry. This is about EBS volume. Okay. Let's save this one. Okay. If you want to check, you can check cat example.txt. So yeah, message is printing. Okay. So now we have created a volume which is inside our first instance. What if I delete this instance? In the normal scenario, your all the file system would have also lost along with your instance one. But what are we going to do? We will be shifting or mounting this volume into our instance 2, and we will delete instance 1, and we'll check whether it is available over there or not. So for now, if you see, I'll go to action. Right now you are not getting the option of attach volume. Right now you cannot attach because it is already been attached to one of the instance. So let's go to our instances. This is the instance currently on which our volume is mounted. So let's go, and I'm going to stop this instance for now. Okay, now it is stopping. Let's go back to our volume. And now if I check, just refresh this page once. Takes little bit time depending upon your network speed. Yeah. So are you getting the volume? Attach volume. Still we are not getting. Just refresh again. Yeah, first you have to do detach. Just detach for now. Select your volume. Now attach. Okay. So as you can see, the very first instance is showing stopped. Just select the running instance which is currently running in your system, and then attach volume. So now we have attached our volume to the other instance. Remember, as you get stopped with the first volume, your console would have also stopped. Yes. So let's connect our console with the second instance. Just select this, connect, go to SSH, copy this code, go back here, paste it, press enter. Yes, so now we are connected to our second instance. Okay, what if we try to check whether there is any file system available or not? So let's do sudo file -s slash, what was the name we have given? Let's create this one, dev, it was a dev, right? Dev slash xvdf. So for your kind information, earlier what we were having, when we type this command, we were not getting any, we were getting data, which simply means it does not contain any file system. But right now we are getting a file system because we have mounted that file system to our second instance. Okay, so to check our file is available or not, let's create a directory over here. Sudo mkdir, let's give a name to our directory with this inc2. Okay, let's go inside this one, slash inc. Okay, so before going ahead you need to mount. Okay, let me just mount over here. Sudo mount, what was the name of file system? Dev slash xvdf, and the name of our inc2. We are mounting to this one. Okay, now we can go inside this one, and if we do ls, you can see example.txt is showing over here, and this is the name of the file which we created in instance 1. Okay, so let's check our message is saved or not. So yes, this is all about EBS volume. So this is all about EBS volume. If you have any confusion so far, do let me know in the comment. Sorry for the confusion during that attachment. Yeah, first you need to detach, then you have to attach, and detach option will only show when you are disconnected with the very first instance. Okay, so before going, let me just terminate all my instances, otherwise gonna give me message once its period get over. So this one is already in stop state, and this one is running state. Just go over here and terminate the instances. Terminate. So till it is terminating, let's go and delete our volume. Action, for now it won't show because currently it is terminating, so it takes time. Unless you see these two get disappear, then only you will be confirmed that you can delete this one, that other two instances are got deleted. Just, yeah, now just select this one, go to action, and you can delete this volume. So that's all for this class. If you have any confusion, do let me know in the comment, or if you have any confusion, that also do let me know in the comment. Thank you so much for being with me this time.